Welcome friends, it's day 10. So today we're gonna be sitting together in Zazen for 10 minutes. So go right ahead and take a comfortable seat of your choice. One that allows you to sit with the spine erect. And in either position, use a cushion to sit as high as needed to keep the knees below the hips. And this allows you to tilt the pelvis forward and lift the sternum slightly without using too much effort, and tuck in the chin. Try to relax everything else, including the shoulders and all the muscles in your face. The elbows are close to the body, and keep your hands in your lap, or if you want, form a Zen mudra by placing one hand just below the navel and palm facing up and the other one on top of it. Then bring the thumbs to touch and try to focus your attention into that region below your navel, which is called the hara. Then start with the abdominal breathing, so the lower abdomen expands as you inhale and contracts on your exhale. Continue breathing like that. And soften your gaze downwards and keep the eyes slightly open. So today we will be counting the breath on every exhalation for 10 minutes. So before we begin, take a deep breath in and exhale fully. Inhale, exhale, count 1. Inhale, exhale 2. Inhale, exhale 3. Inhale, exhale 4. Inhale, exhale 5. Inhale, exhale 6. Inhale, exhale 7. Inhale, exhale 8. Inhale, exhale 9. Inhale, exhale 10. Inhale, exhale 1. Inhale, exhale 2. Inhale, exhale 3. Inhale, exhale 4. Inhale, exhale 5. Inhale, exhale 6. Inhale, exhale 7. Inhale, exhale 8. Inhale, Exhale, 9. Inhale, exhale, 10. Now continue counting by yourself. I will mind the time and let you know when to release and relax. your next inhale, take a deep breath in. And exhale fully. Bring your attention back into the body and relax the posture. And when you're ready, blink the eyes open and become aware of everything that surrounds you. And take your time before you get up. Thanks for joining me today. I hope I will see you all tomorrow. So take good care for now and enjoy the rest of your day.